All set and ready to race. And they're off. Early lead is taken by Aras, and moving up on the outside, Mr. Saber. It's Mr. Saber. Moving up by the rail is Aras, and moving up now to grab the lead is Golden Angge. It's now Golden Angge in the lead, followed by Aras, Mr. Saber on the outside, Yes Joey, Musashi, and War Alert is bringing up the rear. Into the backstretch, it's Golden Angge in the lead, followed by Mr. Saber on the outside in second, and Aras running in third by 3.5 lengths, Yes Joey, Musashi, and War Alert. At the mid-back stretch, it's Golden Angge by the rail. Mr. Saber now moving up on the outside. It's now Mr. Saber by half a length, followed by Golden Angge by the rail in second. And running in third by 4.5 lengths is Aras, Yes Joey, and War Alert moving up on the outside. Rounding the far turn, it's Mr. Saber by 2.5 lengths, followed by Golden Angge in the lead. It's still entry number 4, and that is Mr. Saber. It's Mr. Saber entering now by 5 lengths. Golden Angge, Yes Joey moving up on the outside, and War Alert on the farther outside, now moving up to take second. The last bend for home, it's Mr. Saber by 5.5 lengths, followed by War Alert by the rail in second, and on the outside is Yes Joey. The top of the stretch, it is still Mr. Saber on the outside, moving up on the inside is War Alert. It's Mr. Saber on the outside, War Alert by the rail, Mr. Saber, and War Alert on the inside. And nearing the playoff line, it is still Mr. Saber. And finally, it's a cinch for Mr. Saber. War Alert, Yes Joey, Aras, Musashi, and Golden Angge.
4, 3, 5, 1 bale, ano?